Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are looking at Apple's latest flagship. It's finally here and we are unboxing the brand new iPhone 17 Pro Max. So this one we have here, it's in the gorgeous blue finish, which Apple is calling deep blue. And yeah, depending on which storage option you are going with, you will need some deep pockets for this one, but more on that later. So I went with the 512 gigabyte storage option, which is the same I opted for last year with my iPhone 16 Pro Max, since I am shooting a lot more 4K videos now. So all in all, I am excited to see what's inside the box and give you my first impression. Let's go. All right, so Apple continues with their minimal, sleek packaging. So in the front, we have a clean shot of the phone itself, and of course, the Apple logo on the side. All right, so let's go ahead and open this bad boy. So of course, Apple fashion, pretty easy. You go ahead, you peel out your stickers, front and bottom. Okay. And voila. Yeah, this thing is gorgeous. Get this, there's some good lighting. So, and there it is. Right away, you got the iPhone 17. So it doesn't stand out too much like the other colors, but I like blue, so I think I like this one. All right, so and then we have our USB-C to USB-C braided cable. It's nice. Okay. And well, just again some literatures. What we got here? Okay, no longer need a physical SIM card, of course. Yeah, as you already know, this is an eSIM. Okay, so yeah, so depending on the lighting, this is like I said, this is not doing it justice right now. It shifts between a darker navy, all right, because it has like such a subtle metallic finish. So definitely one of the best looking color options. Okay, all right, so we're gonna go do that little peel off. Ah, so satisfying. All right, so okay, so this is the Pro Max. So it is rocking this huge 6.9-inch display. Okay, so feels pretty solid. I don't know if it's as heavy. We're gonna check the weight later on in the full review comparing to the 16 Pro Max. But yeah, it feels pretty good. So as you already know, Apple is using an aluminum unibody, which according to Apple is optimized for performance and battery. And this aluminum alloy is supposed to be light and has exceptional thermal conductivity, according to Apple. But like I said, we'll find out doing the testing of this. So it's sturdy, not overly heavy, but I swear they said the same thing when they had the titanium out for the 15 and 16. So titanium is gone, aluminum is here, so to speak. All right, but like I said, you get the usual, get these out the way. So just the usual paperwork. We have no SIM ejector tool. Though a lot of regions still use SIM cards, but North America, we are eSIM only, which can be a major drawback if you are someone who swap phones a lot for work or pleasure. or you're a YouTube reviewer that also change phones a lot. All right. So, all right. So now let's look at, check out this boot up sequence. So this is the technically an edge-to-edge display, right? That Apple is calling, because Apple has a name for everything, as you already know. They're calling it the Immersive Pro Display. So it is a Super Retina XDR display. It's supposed to be brighter and have better anti-reflection than the previous iPhones. And also has what Apple call Pro Motion, which is up to 120 hertz. And as you can see, the bezel are even thinner. Just go around, and also tucked in underneath all the sensors, it's the stunning 18 megapixel center stage front camera. Yeah, this display look absolutely amazing. So as I mentioned before, this one is a 512 gigabyte model, which is perfect if you're into shooting a lot of ProRes video and you're taking tons of high-res photo, or just you're a hoarder like me. You want all your apps, games, and media without ever worrying about space, right? You know about that storage anxiety that we all have. So when you're looking at the little bar just going all the way to the right, like, oof, I need to delete some stuff. So, however, if you graduated to be a master hoarder, you can opt for the whopping 2 terabyte storage option for a whopping $2,000. It's a lot of money. Okay, you can get yourself a decent DSLR for that kind of money. Seriously. So, and then so on the back we have the triple lens as usual, an all Pro and Pro Max model. All right. So, but this go around we have all three of them, sorry, 48 megapixel. You have a 48 megapixel main camera, a 48 megapixel Fusion ultra wide camera, and finally a 48 megapixel Fusion telephoto camera, which is awesome. I can't wait to take some pictures and do some video with this thing. So we got bigger sensors, better and low light, and also we do have that 8x optical quality zoom, which is exclusive to the Pro Max. Okay, so in the back, as you can see, there's like a dual tone color change right here. So technically underneath here, we have the new vapor chamber, which deionized water seal inside it, moves it away from the super powerful A19 Pro chip. So allowing for better performance and better battery life. We'll see about that. But again, I'll dive deeper into the specs and the camera performance in my full review. But for now, just by looking at this thing look amazing. It looks like a beast. Okay, so all right, so finally this was the unboxing of the iPhone 17 Pro Max and that stunning deep blue. So my first impressions, premium. As always, premium quality, premium weight, premium display. You can't beat that. And again, and for the real test, it will come with a few days of daily use, so we can take a look at the battery life, the performance, and especially these 3 bad boys right here. So if you found this unboxing very helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for the full review coming soon, and let me know in the comments which color and storage option you're going with this year. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.